It's time for Dome News with me, Kate Vobik, and I'm calling our pastor who decided to relocate and come to Kenya, but the name of the church will just give you the answer you're looking for.
Hello.
Hello, Pastor.
Praise the living God.
Yeah. Okay, my name is Nancy.
Yes, Nancy. How can I help you?
I got your number from a friend of mine you've helped.
Oh, what the friend did they tell you?
Okay, let me just ask because after discussing this, I'll come to your church.
Oh,
She told me the name of your church, but I can't remember. Kindly remind me the name of the church.
Breast and Honey Harvest Church.
Breast and Honey.
Yeah, Breast and Honey Harvest Church International.
Wait a minute. Breast of breast as a lady's breast, or?
Exactly, because you know the spirit lies in the breast of a lady. Yeah, that is where the spirit of the Lord is always dwelling. Even while you're young.
Okay,
you struggle the breast so that you can get a spiritual fulfilling for you. You can grow. The more you drink, the more you search the breast, the more you get the fulfilling of the Lord.
Okay. So, Pastor, the name of your church is Breast and Honey Harvest Fellowship International.
Exactly, madam.
Okay. So, I have a problem, and I really wanted you to pray for me or tell me the way forward. I was looking for spiritual guidance.
Oh, my God.
Yes.
Let us go ahead, madam.
Okay, I have an issue. I've not been married for a long time, and every time I get connected to a man, the man will have to maybe cut off the relationship when it's just about time.
Oh, the Spirit of the Lord is telling me that there is a big problem in your heart. Madam.
Yes.
All time you go anywhere, you look for men keep on rejecting you.
I don't look for men. I start dating, and when we date, we prepare for
That's
a wedding.
what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
When you date men, they reject you. Have the spirit of rejection in your heart.
Okay, so how are you going to help me?
What you should come and do, you should try and meet me in my office, and then we suck out that spirit of rejection from your breast or from your heart. Praise the living God.
Okay, you said we remove the what? The spirit of
The
rejection
spirit
from
of
my
rejection
breast.
from your heart. From your heart.
From my heart.
Yeah.
Okay, so when is prayer day?
Prayer day is every Thursday at 4 p.m. at the Tabernacle altar. Yeah.
Okay, do I need to carry anything or what?
Don't carry anything. Just come the way you are and with a little bit of offering, because you know the dwelling place of the Lord is always being made to be full there.
But the friend who gave me your number told me that when I'm coming for these prayers, I should not put on my bra.
Of course, yes. That's why the church is called. People like you who have the spirit of rejection, you're going to suck off those problems.
How are you sucking it? Are you using my breast to suck off the rejection?
The church name speaks more about it.
Okay, the church name speaks about it. That's Breast and Honey Harvest Youth Fellowship International.
Yeah.
So I want to get one. Why should I come without my bra?
So that we can suck off the spirit of rejection. And you know the spirit of rejection dwells more so in the breast.
So who is sucking my breast here?
Oh, the pastor does everything. You come for spiritual guidance, they give you whatever you want.
So you're the one who will suck my breast, huh?
Exactly.
For how long?
I'll make a tell you, you just come and then you're going to see how it is going to be.
Okay, is there any place in the Bible that people are told to suck?
Don't refer to the Bible. You just come and then we do this thing, we finish.
No, you know, I'm wondering because all the churches have been going.
Stop. Wait a minute. You have called to ask. So you just do this. So if you're not comfortable with it, just let it go, because
no. I just wanted to know. You know, I just wanted to know. I didn't even get your name. Your pastor who?
Pastor Chijioke.
Yeah.
Chijioke.
Chijioke.
Yeah.
Pastor Chijioke.
Yes.
From a Breast and Honey Harvest Fellowship International.
Yeah.
So on Thursday, tomorrow I come at 4.
Yeah.
You will cast out the rejection spirit through sucking my breast.
Yeah.
So you've been doing that. I understand that your church has only ladies, eh?
Exactly.
Why don't you have men who fellowship in your church?
I said that we leave unto the Lord, oh. We leave that unto the Lord.
When did you come out from Nigeria?
I came because of the calling of Breast and Honey Fellowship International.
Okay, Pastor, whoever you call yourself, eh? Chijioke.
Man of God. Just
My name is Kate Vobic. I'm calling you from Hero Radio.
Hey, whoa.
Yes, my name is Kate Vobic. I'm calling you from Hero Radio. I'm not Nancy. Okay,
So,
let's just talk about this. Eh?
Do you think you are going to be the first one?
To do what?
To
what?
My God.
To what?
No,
How dare you call your church Breast and Honey? You only have ladies who fellowship there. Wait a minute, eh? Your church, the ladies who come there, they come without bras. I'm not threatening you. I'm not even threatening you. Why are you deceiving people?
I'm not going to stand here and listen to your nonsense.
No, just wait, eh? Just wait, Pastor. You call yourself Pastor Chijioke, eh?
No, not man of God.
Okay, whoever, I don't know which God called you, eh?
I'm not standing here listening to your nonsense. Get out of here.
You call it now. I'm tempted to call this man of God in quotes. Did you just tell me get out of here? And you're supposed to be a man of God, full of breast and honey. We come to your church without bras. And then how many ladies do you serve? How many ladies do you serve their breast every now and then?
You cannot threaten
I really don't care. I'm not threatening you. I just want to know, why are you deceiving people? Who told you to be sucking ladies' breast in your church? They come without bras. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. You call yourself a man of God and you're abusing me.
And I'm gonna hang up this phone if you continue to talk to me like that.
So did you just call me? Did you just call me stupid?
Woman, come and follow
I'm
me where
very courageous. I'm very
I
courageous.
know you
more than
wanted me
you
to
think.
sack you. Ladies love me because I
want you to do what to me?
I know you want me to suck your breast because ladies out there are talking because I suck those breasts very well. And make us
Shindwe pepo chafu.
That's why you've said that I suck. Ladies are many in my church.
They are not many. They are the only people who fellowship there who come without bras, and you keep sucking their breast.
Have you asked yourself why they come there?
Because you're deceiving them. You just called me stupid. You call yourself a man of God, and you call me stupid.
Not romantic.
Kenyan men are not romantic. Who told you we need your romance all the way from Nigeria just to come in the name of God, to come and say our men are not romantic?
You are calling me to ask if I can suck your breast.
And that's why I told you my name is Nancy. My name is not nonsense. You call me. Hey. He just did it again. Me love it. Me love this. Hey.